Kevin Mumbai. So tonight we're going to explore about industrial organizations. So first question is, what is industry? So industry refers to the production of goods or services within an economy. It encompasses a broad range of activities from primary industries like agriculture, fishing, and mining. So that extract raw materials to secondary industries like manufacturing and constructions that process and transform those materials, and finally to tertiary industries like services, retail, and finance that provide services to consumers and business. So now we're going to the next questions. The second questions. So explain the three levels of industry. So first is primary industries. The second is secondary industries, and the third is tertiary. So the three levels of industries, primary, secondary, and tertiary, represent a classification system for economic activities based on the nature of the goods or services. For those understanding these levels helps to analyze an economic structures its dependence on various sectors and overall development. So first, primary industries. These are foundation of the economic systems, focusing on the extraction of raw materials directly from the natural environment. So they involve activities harvest or mine resources without significant transformations. Example is agriculture, mining, fishing. So which is organizational structures describe the typical organizational structures and industrial organizations. So industrial organizations exhibit diverse and organizational sectors adapting to their size, industries, and strategic goals. However, several common structures are frequently. So first is functional structure. The second is divisional structure. The third is matrix structure, and fourth is network structure, and five is flat organizational structures. So that five have given the organizational structures that include this common disadvantage and advantage. So the advantage of functional structure is clear lines or authority, specialization of skills, efficient resource allocation within department. So the disadvantage for communication and coordination between department and slow response to change can become inflexible, and organizations grow suitable for smaller, stable organizations. Important department. Explain the functions and importance of the following departments. So here I can explain the function of importance of following department based on here my research. So first is to effectively functions and importance of various departments. I need to know which department you'd like me to discuss. So first is place sample, productions, operations, marketing and sales, research and development, finance and accounting, human resources, information technology, or legal and customer service. So we can give marketing and sales. Diba marketing and sales kanang nabilong siya sa sa tertiary kanang imo nang gi market, imo nang gi parban sa sample, i-upload na nimo sa kuan, nag online sales na ka, online selling siya din. So the fifth is summarize the key points and highlights the importance of understanding the industrial organization and management. So based on my understanding, industry, summarize din siya sa kuan sa key points, then i-highlights mo na. So understanding industrial organizations and management is crucial. Several key reasons. So you have so many several reasons here. So first is improve efficiency and productivity. Second is effective decisions making. The third is competitive advantage, enhance innovations, stronger employee, sustainable growth, risk management, and the last is adaptability and resilience. So improve efficiency and productivity, knowledge of organizational structures, process and management technique, allows for optimizing resource allocation, streaming workflows, so enhancing overall productivity. This leads to cost savings and increased profitability. So improve efficiency. So you need to improve and analyze your product, how to improve. So mo pagpa-lambo imong padaghan sa imong product. Effective decisions making. A solid grasp of industrial organizations principles enable better informed and more strategic decisions making at all levels, from operations choices to long-term strategic planning. So effective decisions making, it's a solid grasp sa industrial organizations. So competitive advantages is based on understanding industry dynamic is competitive landscape, landscape and market versus allows organization. So enhance innovation, effective management practice, foster a culture of innovation.